Okay, here we are, ready to finish paint. So we've done all the prepping, walls are all sanded, touch-ups are filled and dealt with, and touch-ups are primed. So now we're ready to putting on the finished paint. And what we're using today is a Pittsburgh paint, and it's in a matte finish. And the reason we're using a matte finish here, because this is a stage, there's a lot of bright lights that illuminate the stage, and they don't want any reflection coming off the wall. So we're going to have no reflection on the wall because we're using a very flat matte paint. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to be painting in the corner, painting all the way down, and making sure there's no overage on the other side, no ridges. Don't want any ridges anywhere, anytime. And I'm just going all the way down to the bottom, get this corner cut. And then once this corner is cut, we're ready to roll. Quite often in a normal wall, we'll be cutting in the top angle. We don't have to cut in the top angle here because no cutting needed at the top here, so I'm just going to roll up to the wall. And when we're doing finished painting, unlike priming, we want to do one panel at a time. The reason is I want to be able to roll into the wet edge. There'll be no flashing. If I didn't do that, if this was dried and I rolled into again, this area here may appear to be having 3 coats. You might see that edge. So we're just going to roll into that wet edge. And same sort of thing, what we're doing now. We want to spread the paint evenly, so we're going to make a bit of an M. Just make an M like so, up and down. Get about a 3-foot swath. Up and down a few times, rolling about 1 inch away from the corner. That's why it's nice to have about that 2-inch cut. That sash tool brush I was using is actually a 2.5-inch brush. And a little more paint at the top, it will be all set. Up again here. And most people, if you pick up anything off the wall, you can easily see it and just pick it out if you can. Any bits of, I probably picked up a bit of dirt off the top there. So I'm just going to finish roll this. And as I finish rolling, this is my finish edge here. So what I'm doing is if there's any pressure difference at all, there'll be slight more pressure on my left side. As I go up and down, there's no ridge there at all. I'll do it again. And there we have the finished product. And then when you're painting, I'm using an 18-inch roller for speed and commercial purposes. Quite often, most folks are going to use a 9-inch roller. Same principle applies. Put it on in an M sort of fashion to spread the paint out evenly, and then continue filling in the bottom and the top, and then go over it again, and you've got a finished wall. And we're just going to continue now to do the rest of the walls in that manner.